Students, in our previous lecture, we discussed the differences between literary theory and literary movements. In the same manner, some students are slightly confused about the two terms literary theory and literary criticism. So now let me explain these things. Criticism has been divided into two major types. There are actually so many other types, but two major types of criticism are theoretical criticism and practical criticism. Literary theory has been given by theoretical criticism. And what is theoretical criticism? There are some critics who make the laws, who decide some parameters of examining, of evaluating a work of art. So they give a theory. Say for example, Plato, Aristotle, Longinus, Dante, they were the theoretical critics and they gave theories on how to examine, how to evaluate a particular work of art. Like Dante talked about the use of diction in a work of art. In the same manner, Aristotle discussed the elements of tragedy and so on. So there is one set of critics who talk about the rules, the norms of writing literature. So they give a theory on how to write literature. In the modern times, there are some critics, they make theory of formalism, of structuralism, feminism, post-structuralism, eco-criticism. These theories have been recently formulated by the postmodern and modern critics. On the other hand, we have another term, literary criticism. Literary criticism is actually an area where some other set of critics are working. They read the norms and theories given by other critics and they try to apply those theories while evaluating a work of art. Okay, so that is also known as practical criticism. Say for example, if you want to examine Wordsworth's poem Daffodils, okay, then as a critic, when you examine the aesthetic value of that work of art, when you examine the language used by the poet, the meter and rhyme used by the poet, okay, the message conveyed by the poem, all these things practically when you examine, keeping the theories in your mind, so then your criticism is called practical criticism, which is also known as literary criticism. Third term is literary approaches. Literary approaches are just like you wear blue goggles and the world becomes blue. You wear black goggles and the world becomes black for you. In the same manner, in literature also, while examining a work of art, when we adopt one particular approach, say for example, if I am a feminist, then I will look at the work of art from a feminist point of view. So feminism is one theory, but feminism is also one approach of examining a work of art. In the same manner, if I am a follower of Marxism, then when I read a novel, when I read a short story, I look at that short story from a Marxist point of view and I examine that short story. That is my approach of looking at a particular piece of literature. So there are three different terms: literary theory, a set of norms, okay, then literary criticism, that is practically when you apply the norms on a work of art, and literary approach, a particular approach, a particular point of view, keeping with that point of view in your mind, you look at and you examine a work of art.